Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video let's take a look at semiconductors for this morning update, that is Nvidia, AMD, SMCI, ARM, Broadcom, Micron, and we'll take a look at QQ and SPY as well. And nothing is financial advice guys, just my opinion and only for education purposes, alright? So today Nvidia, it's a bit of a choppy day, a sideways day, but the level that 118 that we talked about yesterday, let's go straight to the hourly interval right away, that is still holding. Alright, however, just be a little bit careful because weakness has started to come in, and I just turned on my another indicator. So we were in the really good bullish strength from, pretty much the last 2 days. All the pullbacks just got bought back up. Today, right now, you can see that the structure is right now turning a little bit red. And, even though it's still finding that, yes, intraday rebound, $118, that rebound still came at $118, the level that we were targeting. But it's with the weaker structure, and we are, you can see, struggling to go above 120. So what it brings us to, right, is what can happen. Now, not saying that it means that it's just going to fall. It tells you that, okay, time to be a little bit careful. Yes, we are still on the hourly interval above the cloud, but it just tells you that be a little bit careful here because the structure is weakening right now. All right, so let's also go to the 5 minutes interval. And as you can see, it's a choppy sideways day. Yes, there has been some, upside, but it's just going through the cloud, in the cloud, not willing to go either direction. We have a support up below, resistance up on the top. It's a choppy day, not much you can do out of it, all right? I mean, you can still trade out scalps, like at these levels, like rebounds, you see wicks forming, I mean, those are the ways that those trades should have already been taken and the bullish structure staying, but you can see it's just not giving us a continuation, right? Even though it tested 118 again, came back up, but still selling off up on the top. So you can only do scalps today. It's a choppy day, right? And like for example, yesterday was a really good day. We got really good, stuff above the cloud continuations, right? And that's where, and this is, but yesterday we also had a strong overall ongoing, a bullish structure as well here, right? But once some weakness start to come, bullish trend may start to turn choppy, and that choppiness can also bring downside. But so what are the levels to watch, right? Where can the weakness come? So 5 minutes interval, if we lose 118, definitely that's a weakness zone. Not able to get, if again 120 or 119 and 66 cents is another area. If it still keeps struggling in this zone, you can't expect much here. And yeah, and at any time, below the cloud, yes, it can go to 118. That's still holding so far. Anytime if we start to lose that, that's a bigger problem. So it's a choppy day right now, all right? So we are seeing some deep sell-off as well coming in right away, as we are talking about here, Nvidia, and we are just turning red again. So yeah, I would say if strong bullish move would happen, that is above this 119 and 67 cents. Okay, this is where the strong bullish move is. Otherwise, it's going to stay choppy, and then your last line of defense is 118. But as I showed you, yes, the weakness is coming. If you need access to these tools, links are in the description below of this video. All right, so anything else? Let's go to the hourly interval again. And oops, am I on hourly? Yes, I'm on hourly interval now. So yeah, guys, good strengths. Now if we lose 118, intraday weakness may come, but guys, this level 115 now has become a support as well. So even if we lose 118, 115 with 200 hours moving average and 50 hours moving average might just give it a pullback bounce. So just remember that on the hourly interval, overall we might not go like negative as bearish, right? And yeah, so just keep that in mind. Okay, we'll see the price action, how it closes, and then I'll do another video later, but that's pretty much what to watch. Still, you are watching the $118 level, as the last line of defense before much more cool off starts to happen here, all right, on Nvidia. So let's take a look at AMD now. So AMD also doing some sell off today, but it's still holding those bullish structures like 150 and 98 cents. On hourly interval, yes, there is weakness, but held that significant level 151. If we lose that, you can see it finding resistance upon the top of the significant levels. If we lose 151 now, you can expect downside. As I said, there's a weakness seeping in. Going to the 5 minutes interval, you will see very similar structure like Nvidia. It's doing its best to hold this bullish structure. Technically, yeah, it's not fully bearish confirmed yet, but it's not far away from confirming that. Yeah, again, you have the level to watch, right? Down there. Let's also take a look at hourly interval, the structure. So it's a sideways action. Yeah, it's still holding somehow bullish structure, but once we lose this level, guys, 151 and 5 cent zone, that's where the problem will start coming in. That will be a cool off that will start to come on AMD, all right? So that's that. All right, let's go to SMCI. So SMCI did go up. Let's go to the daily interval first. So it's doing good above this zone of what we call 419 and 26 cents is what I have been saying, that above this can try to push higher and can become bullish. Structure overall though is still in a rebound. All right. And yeah, so but that's the target 478, right, in a rebound. So we got very close to that. You should have already taken some partial profits out right now. But let's take a look at hourly interval. So hourly interval, guys, is still just doing a pullback. This is just a pullback. We are above the cloud quite some time ago. And we are above 200 hours moving average as well. Today you can see we found support there. So all in all, SMCI is not looking bad right now. It's still looking like it's want to continue higher. But your last line of, if we lose 450 and 49 cents on SMCI, that's where problem will start to come in, all right? All right, let's take a look at ARM. ARM, no problem. You know, we have been bullish on this thing from what, 5 days ago? And this is where you can see structure changed full on bullish again. And we have been just continuing higher. So yeah, no surprise, shouldn't be a surprise. We knew that, we saw this coming, and on hourly interval, we are still higher highs, higher lows, above 200 hours moving average. At this point, if it can hold 145, no problem. This thing is still bullish, okay? So that's ARM. Broadcom. So Broadcom also doing a little bit of a slowdown today. But Broadcom can remain bullish, guys, above, as long as it's above 156 and 24 cents. Yeah. So Broadcom has a lot of room to even do a sell-offs and then still get bought back up, and most likely will form inverted head and shoulder. This thing still has a lot of strength in my opinion. Micron. So Micron trying to come back up today again, and that's what I said right yesterday, that there is a bounce that can continue on Micron, just because even we had that sell-off yesterday, but also just for the reason that we were holding this support so nicely on Micron, and that's why I said that there's likelihood we'll just continue higher, and yes, we are continuing higher. So that was that. That's still the level to watch. That was the, like, this was the stop loss area that I talked about, right? And yeah, now it's just a continuation to the upside. Stop loss could be, trailing stop loss could be at any of these levels. And yeah, this is where the stop loss had to be. And on the hourly interval, yeah, we are still up trending. And now once we get above 200 hours moving average, it's just an upside game continuation. And yeah, $90 is the level that we shouldn't break if we want to stay in this trend. So that's Micron. All right, let's take a look at QQ and SPY. So SPY, wow, yeah, all-time testing, almost all-time highs, guys, here now, not far away from that. And yep, I mean, we saw it coming. This is a strong rebound, and we saw this coming. Here we had a buying candle come in, just continuing higher, shouldn't be a surprise. Still bullish. Hourly interval, it's going to make a new high, looks like. And yeah, right now it's unstoppable. It's unstoppable, guys. Yeah, higher highs, higher lows. QQ QQ also going up today, no bearish structure still, it's still bullish. Now the next significant level that we got above is 473. You can see first we were finding resistance there, but we finally got above that with the support at 20 hours moving average, so no problem. Yes, it's showing some, ceiling resistance there, but let's see if it can still hold this level, this zone, no problem, right? So we'll see. Let's go to the daily interval again. Oh, well, I didn't start with the daily on QQQ, but yeah, so still looking good. Yeah, still in the bullish structure, guys, and this thing can continue higher. This was the zone once we got out of this pivot 460 with the strong buying wick at the bottom at the previous level, and I talked about it. This is a pivot, and yeah, right now structure is bullish on this thing still. So anyways, all right, that's it for this video, and if you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe. I'll be doing my dividend investing videos as well. Some of the ETFs like EMAX is rebounding, that's looking great, and other things as well. So, well, those videos will be coming out on my dividend investing channel. Link to that channel is in the description of this video. And if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video as well. All right, guys, take care. Bye.